$158.
That's good. All my kids are between 160 and 180.
Oh, that's Rudy.
Yeah, that's the baby.
Oh, look like the girl. Come on, big girl.
Look at her heartbeat and a big fat belly.
Measuring right around 13 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I see it.
She is moving in there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God, I saw her face.
Chinese profile. She doesn't turn
Oh. Bailey, it looks like you when you were in there. Oh my God, you guys do 3D in here? Yes.
Is it okay if Tina's
Yes.
in there? All
Please,
right.
she needs to hurry. Oh my God, I see it.
Xander!
Tina, look.
Xander,
Look
look
at
at
the
that
baby.
Rocky.
13 weeks, I was right. As of yesterday.
Yeah.
I lost my phone.
Oh, I called it too.
I don't know
Yeah,
where it
look
went.
at that picture.
Oops, I
You can have
trying to
Rocky.
videotape it for Tim.
I want Rocky. I want Keith. Okay. Look at I got. You
Baby's
got
moving, look at her.
Loops and jumps.
Xander, look.
Uh-oh.
All
Better
your
be a
toys.
girl.
And look at Bone.
Oh, she's so cute. Oh my God, look at what she's doing with her. She put her hands up to her face.
Hey, look at you put
Oh my God, that is so cute.
What happened to the microphone?
Bailey did the same thing. I have a picture just like that of Bailey with her hand over her eyes. Bailey, look at your sister up there.
Oh, yeah, look at it, it's a baby. Like Trinity, that's like me. Then.
Oh, is she sucking her thumb? She put her hand by her mouth.
He said, hey, can we help you? Doing? He's right her hand. What happened?
Good, looks good.
She has all of her hands, or I mean all of her fingers and toes.
We don't check that yet. 18 to 20 weeks, that's when we'll do anatomy scan. It's too
Did you
little.
check possibly around that area?
Too early. I won't see it.
Got-
13 weeks. 16 maybe.
Because with her, they found out she was a girl at 12 weeks.
Yeah, that's if you go to level 2, they know how to look